How to convert Canva website to Wix. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about and show you how you will be able to convert your websites that you have created in Canva and put it or transport it or convert it into your Wix website. Now, unfortunately, there is no direct method to do this just yet, where you would create your own website and then easily convert it into Wix, where you will be able to modify it in Wix Studio or your Wix. That does not exist yet, but you could partially do it. You could still partially be able to convert your designs or your websites in Canva into your Wix website. So what I would recommend that you guys do is either look for your templates first. Look for a website template that you really like and really prefer. So for example, let's open over here our studio over here. You could choose from the templates that are available in the Wix Studio, or you could start from a blank canvas. It depends on you. And then over here in your Wix website, the thing that you would typically do when you're designing your Wix elements, you could just simply do what you typically do. Create designs. For example, you could put this over here. This is just a sample that we have. And then over here, let's select our or one of our sites over here. Maybe I guess I'm gonna start from a blank canvas, so it's going to load much faster and less laggy for me. So in Canva, you are actually able to embed your designs wherever you want. It doesn't matter where, because Canva will provide you a code to embed it. So whether you're making presentations, infographics, flyers, programs, proposals, class schedule, and many more, you could actually convert it into a code and be able to place it into one of your websites in Wix. So let's say you have built your website just like this one. What you could do is just simply click on share, and then if it is a proper or it's a design that works with embed, as you can see, there will be an embed option over here. So we could copy this. You click on embed, as you can see, embed. We will be able to embed our design on Medium, as you can see here. So we could copy this. And now in Wix Studio, there are options for us to be able to upload some or input some embedded code. So while this is waiting, we could actually try it out on other designs as well. So we could go back home while waiting for our Wix Studio to finish up over here. And we could try out creating different designs or like try out some other things that we could typically put into our website as well. So let's say, what are typical things that are found in a website? So let's say product template. This could be very useful on different types of things, such as specifically on e-commerce. So over here we have different templates over here. Maybe we could do this one. Let's wait for it to load. Then we could click on customize this template. Now this template has a lot of pages, so you could customize it however you want. This still is still loading, so let's give it a bit more time, and there we go. Now, starting off, we could do or we could add element over here, and let's try adding an embed element over here. So let's wait for the pop-up to appear. It's very slow, I guess, so let's minimize this on the right side. Add element, and then simply search for embed. Over here, we can either embed code or embed site. Select embed code for us. Now, simply select embed code over here, click on add to site. It's a bit hard to show this properly since our Wix is responding a bit slow. And then you're just going to simply paste the code that we will be able to get. So we have our slot over here. I'm not sure where we should be able to put the code. It's very slow. I'm sorry, guys. Over here, see, it has this pop up over here, like a site cannot be reached. So let's see. Enter code. And then over here, we're simply going to paste it. Update. Let's see if it will work. And there we go, as you can see. So we now have like an element over here or a specific section of our Canva design or Canva website placed into our Wix website. So what you guys could do is you could build different kind of things or like create a page of a catalog, create a page for galleries, stuff like that. All kinds of items you could put together. It doesn't matter really if it's in one canvas over here like this one or separate files. You could do that as well. Depends on your preference. And you could basically be able to build a website with just contents from Canva. So if you prefer Canva items or like Canva designs, you could do just that. You could just do the code or entering code method over here, and you will be able to have a code just like what we're seeing right now, or a part of Figma be present, or not Figma, Canva be present on your Wix website, just like how we are utilizing it here. So maybe let's try this one over here. We could click on share, see all, and this one it can be turned into a website, but we could do embed. Wait for it. Click on embed, and now we could choose between HTML embed code or smart link embed code over here. So we could modify the code over here. There we go. Click on update, and then let's wait for it. It's then going to appear over here, and there we go, as you can see. Now we have our product catalog item over here inside our Wix. So this is like I said, this is made with our Wix website or our Canva over here on our Canva design, and we could view over here, like you could do a preview, and you guys could check out how it would look like or how it would work after compiling or like putting in different elements from Canva. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.